What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Garnett-Tools. Today I had an 18-piece 3/8 drive socket set from Snap-on, or rather, one of Snap-on's brands. The company goes by the name Bahco and is part of Snap-on's European division, S&A Europe. The set ranges in size from 3/8 to 7/8 of an inch and are at a 6-point design. The set includes shallow as well as deep and come on the rail. Each socket features a special drive or profile that allows for driving the wall of a fastener versus the corners. They have this chamfer on either side of the socket, a dished area to aid in insertion of your drive end, as well as machine detent areas inside the sockets. Each socket is also stamped with the brand, part number, USA, the size, as well as the date code. This date code in particular indicates it was made in 2002. For comparison, here's a Snap-on socket. And also the Cornwell socket. If you notice, Cornwell doesn't machine the detents. They only have one open area for the ball detent. While this set is considered new old stock, usually abbreviated NOS, they do carry a lifetime warranty, and I was able to find this set on eBay for $40. At the time of this video, there are 8 sets available. I'll leave links in the description where you can find this set. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more vids, and thanks for watching.